I miss you. Thank you for teaching us dance. We love your dance. You are an awesome teacher. Bye. Hi Nandini auntie, I really like your class and thank you for giving me breaks whenever I want and sitting down and playing with my friends. And I really like the 1 minute Bharatanatyam challenge. You know the Aramandi challenge. And I also like all the songs that you teach. And you are a very great dancer. You have nice expressions and you want us to be perfect in everything. That is the most nice thing I like about you.
Hi Nandini auntie, I like your class so far and I've been doing Bharatanatyam with you for 2 years now, and you are a great dancer and a great teacher, and you have different interesting ways to teach us, and you always tell us how important Aramandi and everything is, and you make it interesting by doing the 1 minute Aramandi challenges and everything, and then and you make the class really fun and comfortable for all of us. Thank you, Nandini auntie. I don't think so I'll find a teacher like you anywhere else.
Hello, I am Trisha and today I am going to tell you my experience in Nritya Lakshmi. Our guru, Dr. Nandini auntie, is very experienced in Bharatanatyam. When we have annual functions, she motivates us to do our best. We always practice and sometimes forget. Whenever we forget to do our practice, Nandini auntie never scolds us and tells us you should remember and keep practicing. She always motivates us to do our best, even if it's in our annual function or if we are in dance class. And she is the best teacher of Bharatanatyam I know yet. Thank you.
It has been a wonderful experience to be part of Nritya Lakshmi School of Dance. Classical dance was my childhood passion. When Nandini told she is going to take classes, I was very, very happy. Nandini has been a very good teacher. I am very happy to learn from such a good guru. Thanks Nandini for taking efforts in teaching us.
I'm Padmini and I've been a student of Nritya Lakshmi for the past 8 months, and I've been really very happy to join this Bharatanatyam class. It was a lifelong dream for me to learn Bharatanatyam, but I didn't get the opportunity to do it. And when I saw Nandini perform in one of our Rani Meme Towers events, I was really fascinated by the way she brought to life a particular piece, and I really wanted to learn from her. And when I had the time on my hands, I immediately joined the class, and I'm really, really happy to be her student. It's a dream come true for me when I performed for Natyesha Kautum as part of all the students of Nritya Lakshmi dance program. And I wish her, Dr. Nandini Navneet, a fantastic journey. She's a very dedicated teacher and keeps motivating all of us to bring out the best in us. Thank you so much, Nandini. It's been a really great journey. Looking forward to learning more things from you. Thank you.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. Thank you so much, Nandini, for having started Nritya Lakshmi classes. My regret of having left my dance, Bharatanatyam dance as a kid, is not anymore there. I'm so glad you started these classes, because of which I am able to fulfill that desire to dance again. And Chennai being the cultural hub of such arts, I do dream and desire that one day I would be able to perform on a stage where a huge audience would be sitting and watching us, and I'll be proudly be able to say that Nandini, who is also a very, very dear friend of mine, is my guru. Thank you so much for being so patient with me, with all of us, and being so dedicated to this need for spreading the knowledge. Thank you so much. I'm truly, truly blessed, and because of you I was able to perform on Ram Navami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Shivaratri, and as an ode or as a archana or anjali to God in my own way. Thank you so much, and that has been possible only because of you. Thank you so much, and I still look forward to learning a lot more, and I really, really wish and pray to God that I should have the same kind of dedication and passion and motivation that you have, and the kind of energy that you dance with. God should be so kind to be able to bless me with all of that. Thank you so much, Nandini.
Hi everyone, I just want to say that dance is a very beautiful art form and it's very tough as well. But when you have an awesome teacher like Nandini auntie, even though it's really tough, she makes it really, really fun. Over the past years, I've switched gurus, but then Nandini auntie is the one who's made it really, really fun for me. So dance is a way of expressing your internal feelings and emotions. So I just want to say that even if you have the slightest interest in dance, I'm pretty sure Nandini auntie will make that little sapling grow into a huge, beautiful tree. So thank you, Nandini auntie.